Hello again. So if you joined me for the tutorial in Investigation 1, then this is what my screen ended with on my last video. But if you're joining me for Investigation 2, it's going to be very similar to the first one. The only thing you have to do is just go ahead and hit the Setup Reset button, and it will automatically randomly place your bacterial cells, which is exactly what you want. Remember to make sure that you are unchecking the reproduce button and that your green boxes up here all start with 1. Okay, so just like last time, when I hit the go pause button, the timer is going to start, and this time you don't have to rearrange the bacterial cells. You just hit the go pause button and then hit the reproduce button and let it do its thing. When it is done and when the bacterial cells stop growing, then you are going to hit the go pause button again, and you are going to sketch this graph. Make sure that you are using different colors to represent the different types of bacterial cells. If you can get a purple colored pencil or marker, green, brown, red, that would be the best. But any 4 colors will do. Just make sure that you identify what those 4 colors represent on your paper somewhere. So make sure that you include a table. And then when you are recording the data in the data table, make sure again that you are going to be taking on the numbers that are in the yellow box and putting those into the data table. So if you have any questions, let me know. There is going to be a third video to watch if you're having trouble finding out the percentage of all the colors. Okay, so let me know if you need help. Otherwise, feel free to watch this video again. Thank you.